Hello! Today I will talk about Mag Markets LLC. Mag Markets LLC, based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, is the owner of Mag Markets. With no regulators at all in this offshore nation, Mag Markets devised a solution. They say they are employed by Geomatrix Limited, a Cook Islands registered company with an FSC license. First off, since 4XC is the only trademark associated with Geomatrix Limited that is currently known, we are unable to verify this allegation. Is Mag Markets LLC legit or a scam? Mag Markets is a pure scam. They have an offshore registration, and their regulation is not satisfactory enough to convince the traders to believe that this broker is legitimate. We will show more details in further sections. Read our Mag Markets LLC's Cam Broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Red flags and warning signs. The company says it is registered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, but it also says it has a license from the Financial Supervisory Commission, FSC, of the Cook Islands. There is a little bit more to it than that. If bad things happen, where can you get the quick solution? You can contact us through the form on our website. You will get a free consultation and service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost fund. Contact us at brokercomplainalert.com.